Hello everyone, here you're watching Dr. Vipin Kumar, and today I'm going to tell you about how you can fix this data analysis tool on Ribbon. If you see the function of data analysis tool, actually this tool has been used for the financial and scientific data analysis. And if we go in depth of that, what is the function of this? So we can see here that n number of function we can do simply from here by clicking on this data analysis tool like correlation, regression, f-test, just test, and number of the function are given here. You can go and simply do that. So I'm assuming that you are not having this option on your Excel sheet on Ribbon visible here. So now I'm going to tell you how you can fix it here. So this is your office button. Simply go and click here, and then you will find that Excel option. On the Excel option you should click here, then you will find here that there is option add-ins. Then click here, then you will get the option of the analysis tool pack. You should go and click here, analysis tool pack. Then here you will get the option go. You click here, and then you have to put OK. Now what will happen? Automatically this option will visible here. So in this way you can fix it on your ribbon, and you can go for the data analysis of your selected items. So I hope you enjoyed and you understand how you can fix this data analysis tool on the Ribbon. And actually I want to give the credit of this to the Indian Agriculture Statistical Research Institute, because there I am doing the training and I learned from there. So I'm very thankful for the Indian Agriculture Statistical Research Institute. So hope this video was very interesting to you and you enjoyed too. So bye bye.